Welcome to the Four Wheel Campers Showroom in Woodland, California. Here you'll find over 15 variations of our pop-up truck campers, each designed with precision and innovation to cater to your camping needs. From the compact and agile fleet to the spacious Grandby, our showroom offers a variety of sizes and options to suit nearly every truck on the market. Inside, you'll be impressed by our thoughtful design, enjoy the cozy sleeping quarters with up to a king-size bed, an equipped kitchenette, and a variety of seating options that transform into an extra bed. What sets us apart is our camper's lightweight, durable, and nimble design. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time nomad, or a remote worker, we have a camper for you. So join us in our showroom in Woodland, California from 8 to 5 Monday through Friday and 9 to 4 on Saturdays. Discover the comfort and freedom that await you in Four Wheel Campers. Your next adventure starts right here.